Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer in Zoho Books. This is an essential task for managing your client database and ensuring you can invoice, track payments, and maintain organized records for each customer you work with. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your financial tools and customer management features. Once you're on the Zoho Books home screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon labeled Quick Create. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for creating new records. From this menu, select the option labeled Plus Customer. This is your gateway to adding new clients to your system. A new window will pop up presenting you with various fields to fill in. This is where you'll input all the essential information about your new customer. Start by selecting the customer type, choosing whether this is a business or an individual. This distinction helps Zoho Books categorize your contacts appropriately. Next, fill in the primary contact details. Enter the company name, if applicable, then add the email address for this contact. This email will be crucial for sending invoices and communication. Add a phone number as well, and make sure to check the customer language setting to ensure all correspondence matches their preferred language. Scroll down to the Other Details section at the bottom of the form. Here, you can add the tax rate that applies to this customer, their company ID if relevant, and specify the currency this customer uses for transactions. This is particularly important if you're working with international clients. You'll also find options to assign an accounts receivable account and set an opening balance if the customer has any existing debt or credit with your business. Below that, set your payment terms to establish clear expectations about when payments are due. If you want this customer to access their own portal where they can view invoices and make payments, you can enable portal access right here. There's also an option to add documents for this contact, such as contracts or other legally binding agreements. This keeps all relevant paperwork organized and easily accessible within the customer's profile. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Save to create the customer record. Your new customer is now added to Zoho Books and ready for invoicing and transaction tracking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.